Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial demonstrating how you can use Nearpod in Pencil Spaces. So the first thing you are going to want to do is navigate to your Nearpod lesson sheet. I already have the sheet open. And you're going to select the Nearpod lesson you would like to access in column D. So I'm going to be accessing lesson 1.1. Once the page is loaded, before proceeding, make sure you add the lesson to your library. Once in your Nearpod library, hover over your desired lesson and select Live Participation. This will take you to your Nearpod interface. Copy the link. You are then going to want to navigate back to Pencil Spaces and select iframe on the left-hand side. From there, you're going to paste in the link we have just copied, so I'm going to select Command V on my keyboard, and I'm going to then click Add iframe. Once the iframe has loaded, both you and your students will be able to see Nearpod in your space. A trick to make sure that your students are following along with you is quickly turning on leader mode so that they're able to see your exact screen and take into the part of the board you are currently on. So now that leader mode is on, any student who is in this space with me will be taken immediately to this point of view and they'll be able to see my iframe. So now your students can follow the on-screen instructions. So I'm just going to type out my name, and you can even put in an optional nickname. I'm going to join the lesson. And now you can start your lesson like you normally would in Nearpod. So now if I were to navigate back to my Nearpod tab, I can get started. I can change slides. And if I go back to Pencil Spaces, I can see that my students are following along in Nearpod with me. If I then select Teacher View, I can follow along with my classroom's results. I can see here that it took my student 12 tries to complete all 8 matches. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any further questions, please feel free to click the help button at the top right-hand side of your screen. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all things new at Pencil Spaces.